Hey, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD for our Tuesday episode of our daily stock market insights. And as always, I'd like to invite everyone, if you're watching this for the very first time, I'd like to invite you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always updated whenever I have new videos. And as you can see, every day I do have a video here. I review your requests. If you have any request, otherwise, I would normally go through the most trending stocks and I work my way downwards, right? So, in the meantime, for this video, looks like we didn't have any particular request, so I am going to focus on the trending stocks. Okay, but let's begin with the index. So the index recovered today. That's really good. That's 1.01%. And as you can see right here, we ended at uh, you know uh, below the MA20 line, okay, and sometimes that can happen as well, slight overshoot. But let's see if that will be if there will be a continuation by tomorrow, given that we have foreign buying that happened today. Okay, so that's a good sign. Uh, Volume is slightly recovering as well, but still within the average volume. You see the cloud over here, it's still within that range. So nothing really significant in terms of volume. One bias could be the foreign buying showing interest now. So still very unstable. We had a slight overshoot below the MA20 line, so I still consider that as a tolerable level, no? Maybe lalaro siya between 6,530 and up. And from there, we'll see if this next resistance will be broken. Ito, dito pa rin tayo. Ang nearest resistance, 6,709. But tomorrow, I'm still on the conservative side. Pwede siyang magpa-fluctuate, magda-drop up to 6,500 level. Alright? So, yan ang kwento ng index. If there's any news that I do not know or I may have not read. Feel free to share it to us in the comment section para matuto tayong lahat. Okay? Now let's talk about AC. Ang ganda ng mga trending stocks. Kasi green tayo today, di ba? So normally itong mga blue chip companies, same ang overall result because that is the aggregate performance or the average performance of all the blue chip companies in the market. So AC today, 2% lang siya, pero ang mga nakasalo sa baba, tingnan natin magkano. Let's say nasalo mo siya ng 659 at nag-exit ka dito. So that's a good 3.42% gain. Pero no one can accurately time the market, no? So normally gagana yung mga scalping na yan pag sobrang laki ng pera mo para at least ma-notice mo naman yung result. Kasi kung barya-barya lang and then nagsa-scalping ka na, hindi mo mapansin, walang bigat yung mga gains mo na yan. So normally pag nagsa-scalp yung mga professionals, ang lalaki ng pera, pinapaikot nila. Okay, so what's nice here is that we're very near the MA20 line, so mukhang binalikan lang ang MA20 at saka aakyat na to. Ito yung kwento na gusto ko eh. Itong setup na gusto ko. As you can see right here, yung volume niya, habang umaakyat tayo, habang paakyat tayo, paakyat din. Kita nyo yung cloud, umaakyat siya. And we're above that. So, let us see if tutuloy-tuloy siya. At ang ganda pa ng position niya. Right now, medyo nasa babang part siya. Uh, this is the lowest part, pero at least it's already creating that higher high na tinatawag. Ito siya. If you are to create that, okay, remove ko to kunwari. See, it is also giving us that kind of pattern. Yan. So, umpisa na siyang gumagawa ng higher high. Ha- Pag nag-bounce siya, mas mataas. Pagbagsak niya, mas mataas kaysa sa previous low. Aakyat siya uli, mas mataas na naman kaysa sa previous one. So, posibleng aakyat ulit siya. Saan tayo pwedeng magla-land? Possible around 717. Ba't ko nasabi yan? Kasi dito, meron kang resistance. Right? Consolidation right here. Ayan, dito. Ayan. So, 715, dyan yung possible area na tutuloy-tuloy niya. So, overall, AC again, best advice here is that because this is a blue chip company and you are entering at a very cheap level, take advantage of this. Try to hold a little longer or kung gusto mo mag-exit ka in the resistance area, mag-iwan ka. Iwan ka ng para makaride sa in case man na tumodo siya akyat. Meron ka pang naiwan na will ride that play. And if bumagsak man siya, yung na-exit mo because of profit taking, you can re-enter at a cheaper level. So either way, win-win ka. Right? So that's in case you want to lock in some gains. Right? Otherwise, kung gusto mong itodo mo na lang and you also have buying power, let it ride and each time it drops, pasukan mo ng additional. Right? So that's AC. MOND, nag-gap down siya pero today in fairness. Tignan mo to, excuse me. This was a gap down pero may long wick ka. Big sabihin, people feel na okay, sobrang mura na to. Bibili namin yan. So, ang daming bumili, taas ng volume, oh. And then, nag-red man yesterday, pero sobrang liit ng volume. Ngayon, maliit pa din ang volume, pero engulfing candlestick siya. At nasa loob. At nasa loob na ng Bollinger Band. That's the easiest explanation I can give. Nag-engulf na siya sa loob. Volume is still small, so pwede pang lalaro siya between 8.43 and 8.79. But given that on the third day, hindi na siya bumaba sa 8.43, that means nag-create siya ng support at that level. Okay? So if you like this company, do your assignment, understand the earnings. Yan, tingnan nyo yan. Medyo hindi kagandaan ng earnings. Negative. Okay? Pero ba't mo papasukin? In case na you're curious about this, it's just because of the technicals. Kasi sa technicals, mura siya and andun na yung, ayan, may foreign buying ka. So, ganung level lang ng commitment na in case umabot siya sa isang profit-taking level, then pwede mo sigurong i-exit. So, ito yung klase ako personally. Ito yung stock na pang mid, short to mid play lang. Pwede siyang intraday kung sobrang maganda yung akyat niya. Let's say, parang 8-9% isang araw. Pwede na. Right? Or kung gusto mo, position trading kasi medyo ideal pa to for position trading. And then exit kapag may resistance. Okay? Or may sign na magpo-pullback. Yan ang iyong triggers. Now, si BDO had 25 million in foreign buying, 0.44% gain, and nakaupo pa rin siya kahit slightly lower siya sa MA20 line. Still, it is considered at around the MA20 area. So I'm looking at the possibility of really establishing a strong hold here, strong support, okay, at that area. So, the more niyo magstay dyan, at ito abangan nyo kung paakyat din to. Kasi medyo bumaba siya, no? Bumaba na yung volume on the 12th of May. Tapos, the following day, May 15, medyo slightly higher at ngayon nadagdagan pa ang volume. Baka ito na yung inaasahan natin na nagbagsak siya at lumit yung volume. Pag nagre-recover na, paakyat na ulit yung volume. Okay? So yan ang ating i-observe. So for now, 135 ang nearest support. And um, at this point, this area, personally, I would say this area is an area for long-term investors. Kasi this is a perfect time na nag-dip ito, then you can add more. Pero kung first time mo, kunwari na papasok, I would have to say na kung hindi long-term ang habol mo, this is on the expensive side na kasi tingnan mo ang taas niya, right? So not unless gusto mo mag long-term dito and you don't mind the first entry kasi kung mag-fluctuate yan, even lower than that, you can add more. Total naman, di ba? Dividend giving stock naman si BDO. But for position traders, swing traders, for me, for me hindi ko siya lalaroin. Ali, Ali ang mura din, ang mura ni Ali, no? Still at the low levels. And may foreign selling ka, pero check niyo to. Kasi nasa support area tayo eh. So, 1, 2, ang haba ng stay niya dito at binalikan naman dito. Now, next step, you wanna check, ay ito, itong tinatawag na bullish divergence. Kasi habang nagfa-flat siya sa presyo na yan, people are starting to demonstrate a buying sentiment. Dumadami sila ang pumapasok. So, given the setup right now, I see a bullish divergence. Support is at 25.94 or lowest would be 25 for Ali. Tingnan nyo ang earnings. Earnings positive Q1, annual 2022 good, and it also gives out dividend. I don't think na mataas ang dividend, but at least there is, no? Ang pinaka magandang setup lang dito is the fact that you are at a very discounted area. Ang laki ng binagsak niya. Binalikan niya yung time ng pandemic. 'Di ba? Yung pandemic, grabing bagsak. Nag-recover siya, tapos binalikan ulit. So, you had that opportunity. Kung late ka nakapasok sa stock market, so hindi ka pa masyado magsisisi na late ka kasi yung mga presyo from 10 years ago, from 5 years ago, binabalikan. So parang nakisabay ka lang din doon sa 5 years ago. There's no such thing as late entry. Siguro late in the element of time. Bakit ko nasabi yun? Kasi kung pumasok ka at a much younger age, imagine the level of proficiency mo come, let's say, 40s, 50s, right? Kung nagumpisa ka ng mga 20s mo. Eh kung nagumpisa ka ng mga 30s mo, kailan ka gagaling? And kung nagumpisa ka ng mga 50s mo, kailan ka magiging proficient? So, yun yung advantage. But in the context of price, walang such thing as late. Late na kasi ako nag-start sa investing. Hindi sa lahat ng oras kasi may mga stocks na binabalikan yung presyo from 10 years ago. So, just to go back, why am I doing this? Is because I want to gain mastery. Kahit isa lang ang makinig dyan, ang goal ko is after the market closes tomorrow, babalikan ko tong video na to, papakinggan ko ang sarili ko, and try to analyze and evaluate my thought process. So that's the kind of rigor I do on a daily basis. That's why I I try my best to be consistent in these videos. So join me. Let's journey together, no? Okay, balik tayo sa SMPH. Si SMPH, I think ang laro dito at the moment is range trading na tinatawag. Kasi dito lang yung area na ginagalawan niya. So ibig sabihin, kung malaki yung pondo mo, no? Kung malaki yung pondo mo at gusto mo maglaro lang ng range trade, kunwari pinasok mo ito somewhere here at nag-exit ka here, so that's just a good 5.43% gain. Pag malaki ang amount, as I mentioned earlier, mapapansin mo yung gain mo. Pero kung maliit lang, hold mo na lang, hintayin mo na lang na umakyat siya. Probably hintay ka sa 32.75 kasi yan ang support na nakikita ko. And then wait for it to recover. SMPH naman yan eh. Wala kang poproblemahin dyan. Maayos na company ito. Okay, grabe ang lalaki lang ng swings niya. Maganda to sa position trading or swing trading. Pasok ka sa baba, exit kapag may nakita kang resistance, tapos do it again. Okay? So that is SMPH. BPI. BPI nag-pullback siya. Same story sa BDO. Nakapag-recover na kasi to eh. Oh, ang taas na niya, oh. So, ibig sabihin, this level over here, maganda to for those people who wish to add more to their existing portfolio or position in BPI. This is the kind of pullback that you can decide na, sige, magdadagdag ako. Pero kung gusto mo lang ng trading, or swing, medyo on the expensive side siya. Hanap ka iba. Madami pa tayong mga promising na mga stocks na sobrang mura. Let's see ICT. Si ICT, mataas na rin to eh. Wag muna, slow down muna tayo kasi andito tayo, triggering the lower band. May green ka dyan, yes, pero lit lang ng volume. So, hindi siya masustain at mag-recover at ma-reject lang dito. And then, continuation ng downtrend. Pag na-reject siya sa MA20 at bumaba, chances are magkakagagawa siya ng lower low. So, I would have to observe muna ICT. Pero another good company to. Kasi non-stop the entire pandemic. Siya lang talaga yung halos yung umarangkada. Also good because this one gives out dividend. Hindi lang ganun kalaki, pero very consistent ito eh. Oh. Maganda itong ICT in terms of fundamentals, right? Wala oh, overall direction, weekly chart na nga yan eh. Akyat lang siya ng akyat. Pag nag-pullback siya, ang pullback niya tolerable lang. Except lang dito na grabe yung bagsak no 2020. Pero ito, tingnan mo, nagbagsak siya. Hanggang 154 lang yung discounted price niya. Tapos diretso na naman siya. So, in case that happens, no, I don't think ibe-break niya to. Strong support to eh. So, anywhere here, pwedeng isang level pa ng support, nakikita ko dito because of this. At saka, okay, ito siya. At saka ito. So, yan ang dating support. Pag nag-continue drop siya, 177.68 ang magiging possible support. Okay? So, those are the stocks that I will be reviewing this evening. Very quick lang. Tingnan ko SCC. Yan, on the lower side pa siya. MWIDE. Si MWIDE na-discuss ko to. Weekly chart. Medyo nag-pullback siya today. Nasa weekly chart ako. Oops. Come on. Balik tayo sa day. Ayan, nag-pullback siya. So, baka binalikan lang tong na. Tingnan natin. So, nag-red siya. Pero, guys, ang laki pa ng potential dahil may ano pa tayo eh. May dividend tayo. At malayo pa. May 23 pa. So, pwedeng in the short term, nag-profit take lang yung mga um, short-term traders or mga quick traders. Nag-profit take lang sila. At kung mag-drop pa ito, papasok nila ulit yan at mag-accelerate yan. Notice yung volume yesterday and today. Nag-red man siya pero mas konti na lang yung nag-sell. May foreign buying ka pa. Okay, so I'm bullish on this stock. Number one, grabe, ang mura niya. May dividend siya, ang taas ng dividend niya. Ang layo-layo pa. Ang layo pa. Imagine that. Yun, pwede ka pa hanggang 24. Eh, 3 ka lang, 3 something pa lang tayo ngayon. Right? Bigyan mo to 5 years. 24, 8 bagger stocks. 8 bagger stock. One bagger is 100%. So, ang 3 mo na doble mo. So, ilang 3.86. Kunwari, para mabalikan niya yung 24. Right? Imagine mo yan. Minsan yung idinrop niya ng katagal-tagal, ilang linggo niya lang pwedeng balikan yan. Kung bullish talaga. So, for now, I think one, MWIDE is very attractive for me because of one, a dividend. Number two, because of the position right now. Kahit nag-increase man yan at nag-profit take today, akala natin yesterday parang nasa 23% to eh. Itong gain na to. Ang laki ng akyat. Pero, nag, nag-pull back today at in case man may volatility bukas, take advantage of that dip. Kahit mag-drop pa siya hanggang 351, pag 351, binalikan niya kunwari 351, take advantage of that. One, kasi ma-qualify ka pa sa dividend. And number two, sobrang mura niya. Okay, so that is it for now. Thank you everyone for watching and please drop a comment. Your simple thank you means a lot to me because the more people who engage in our videos, the higher the chance that YouTube will discover Miss JD, and that will really help grow our channel and influence more people, especially the young ones, to start really understanding and immersing themselves in the world of stock market. Hindi siya ganun ka complicated. It just takes education, and we are instruments of that concept. All right. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.